somebody got the van stuck in the mud. And it wasn't me. But I guess I'm gonna have to go pull them out. Should be able to see him walking by now, but I don't know, maybe he found somebody to help. The barn is way back in behind these trees, down past the house and past this barn, and then around the corner. Like, usually there's somebody around, like we all kind of help each other out here, you know, neighbors and stuff, and it's really cool, but it's really strange that nobody down at that end of the road is home at all, because I mean there's usually somebody home at least somewhere. But maybe he won't make it all the way back to the house. Maybe somebody will come before he walks that far. I kind of hope not though, because I want to see it. There he is, way back there. Can we zoom? All the way back there. Where are we? Oh. The car isn't fully assembled, so he's gonna have to help me put it back together so we can drive it over there and pull out the van with it, I guess. We're gonna pull out a 7,000-pound van with a 2,000-pound car. Oh. Does the gas gauge in this thing work?
Yep.
Okay, so we actually have fuel?
Hold on to that.
Okay.
Actually, let's just leave them off.
We use this thing for storage. Not a whole lot of driving. Whoa. Oh, the wipers work?
Yep.
Sweet. Whee!
Brakes work.
Brakes work.
We're gonna go pull an F350, E350 out right now with this thing.
How much does this car weigh?
Probably about 2,800 pounds.
How much does the van weigh?
4,800.
No, it weighs more than that. I remember on the
56.
on the insurance, it's like 68 or something like that. It's really heavy.
Yeah, well, we're about to find out. I'm front wheel drive. I got a hooks on both sides.
This is front wheel drive?
Yep.
What? That's why it's
And
awesome.
it's 16 valve.
Okay, well, then we're gonna get the van out. Whee!
Right? That's not what I want to do.
Aw, man. Oh, there she is. I can see her.
Yeah,
I can see her.
sideways.
She's a little sideways. Oh, she's facing the barn. Aw, dude.
Yeah, look, I never went all the way.
Aw,
I stayed on
man.
the high side. As soon as I took out all the hay, she slipped right off there.
You got, oh man, you're
I
really
threw
stuck in
gravel
there.
I tried to get it to go. I tried like 6 times.
Uh-huh.
And the goat went back there.
Oh, there she is. Stuck by the barn in the mud. And how are we gonna do this?
Almost as far away as possible.
Oh man, I thought you would have backed in for some reason.
No,
Damn.
I was trying to back out.
Shoot.
My side. Sucked me right in.
Oh no,
And
dude.
I know.
Oh, that's bad.
Well, no, you want to know why? It's because they brought the trailer out of here and ripped a huge hole in here. What am I supposed to do?
Oh, the tailpipe's hitting the ground. So you want me to back up and control it, basically.
Yeah, I'm going to pull you through this, but I'm going to take a little bit so you'll get out.
Oh my god. Okay, so we're gonna pull a E350 Super Duty 7.3 liter diesel, really heavy, big van out of the mud with this. Listen to her purring. See? Storage locker. Oh man. Penelope! What happened? What happened, my girl? Did Jared get stuck? Did Jared get stuck? Hi, sweet thing. Hello.
How you doing? Hey, friend. I know, right? Oh. I'm gonna use 2 straps so he doesn't have to get too close with the car. Because I don't even think this is gonna happen, but well, we'll see. I know, right? I know. Yes. Alright, so we're gonna hook this strap up to the van. I really don't think this is gonna work, but guess we're about to find out. A little more. That's good. On a bumper hitch at that. Right. Some mud on the mirror. Yeah. This is insane. Okay, I'm just gonna wait for the strap to be tight. And then I'm gonna give it some gas. No. Whoa, shit. Oh shit, we did it. Okay. We did it. Haha, yeah, right. I didn't want to like tear up the yard. I can't breathe. Yes. That's awesome.
Okay.
I know, right, Penelope? Look at that. Look at that. It's like a foot deep. But we're out. Woohoo! That was fun. Can we do it again?
No.
Why not?
See, just wait. We might have to.
Oh, shoot.
Like that?
Yeah. I'm driving the van. I'm driving the van. You get to drive the car. I guess I can take the strap. Well, he wasn't actually done getting the hay to the barn. He has one more load to do, so don't get stuck again. Bye.